AgentOps, AI agent, observability. Built for the CFO, every cost figure you see is derived from actual token usage, multiplied by each model's per million price. Inan costs are vector pricing. The moment a model gets cheaper, your dashboard reflects it. No stale. The organization overview rolls up total spend, token volume, and active agents across the entire company. The CFO lands here first and immediately sees the burn rate, the trend versus last week, and which departments are driving the bill. Tau cost is computed live from token events, so this view is never stale. No manual roll-ups, no spreadsheet exports, no end-of-month surprises. Drill into departments. Each row shows spend, token count, agent invocations, and the average cost per call. You can spot a team whose cost per call is creeping up before it blows the quarterly budget. Everything is sortable, so the worst offender is always one click away, and you can pivot by week or by month to see the trend. The employees view ties spend back to a person. Each employee is granted an access tier, and each model belongs to a tier. So you can see who is using frontier models, who is on the routine tier, and whether the tier assignment still matches the work they actually do. Reassignment is a single database row, and the next day's spend reflects it. Access tiers is where the policy meets the bill. Routine tier covers high-volume, low-cost models for everyday tasks. Research tier covers web-grounded models for deep investigation. Frontier tier, Claude Opus, and GPT-4 is reserved for complex, high-stakes work. Roll spend up by tier, and the budget story writes itself. When a tier creeps over its share, you see it here first. The models page lists every model in use, its tier, its per million input and output price, and the total spend routed through it. Because cost is computed from token usage times live pricing. The day a vendor cuts their price, your dashboard reflects it automatically. You can also see which models are idle, so retirement decisions are data-driven. Agent layers live execution telemetry on top of the finance views. AgentOps pulls traces directly from Datadog M Observability using the export API for span latency, token usage, and errors. Datadog credentials stay server-side. The browser never sees them. AgentOps is read-only. It never instruments or ships telemetry back to Datadog. End-to-end to end. React invite on the web. Express on the API. Drizzle on Postgres. OpenAPI Plus or Val for the contract. Tests, type checks, in a production build gate every merge. AgentOps, visibility the CFO can trust.